What's up guys, and welcome back to another video. In today's video, the Bitcoin price right now is struggling to break this $78,200 level. Yes, it's really struggling. And the thing is, unless we are breaking this exact level right here, nothing will happen. However, in today's video, guys, I want to talk about this potential, I want to say big potential cup and handle formation forming right here with a potential move to the upside again right here, targeting approximately 80,000 US dollars. Guys, I want to talk about that in today's video. And again, it is not exactly confirmed right now. However, I want to talk about it. I want to talk about the market. I want to talk about what's going on with my trades as well. And of course, other things in today's video. As always, sit back, relax, and get ready for the video. All right, guys, welcome back to another video, and thank you for joining me once again. As a massive special thank you to each and every one of you watching at home. It truly does mean the world to me. And giving back to you guys watching at home, if you've got a spare 2 seconds, slap that like button. That would be amazing. And also, if you've got another spare 2-3 seconds, maybe if you're a bit slow, then definitely drop a comment down below saying literally anything to enter you to win $100 every single Monday. As always, guys, you know I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just a guy in his room sharing his journey in crypto. And if you're from the UK, USA, or UAE, please do not watch or engage with my content. So let's get into the chart, because as of right now, guys, we can see it's honestly looking pretty boring for Bitcoin. Nothing's really happening. We are in fact trending upwards, which I guess is quite nice. However, nothing's really happening. The volume is down, interest is down, nothing's really happening. If we take a zoom out on the daily chart right here, we can see we are still very much in a bearish kind of pattern right here. We are trending downwards. On the short term, we are trending upwards just a little bit. But again, I said in the intro, this 78K level exactly right here is really what's stopping us. This previous level of resistance right here and support is stopping us from achieving our goals or achieving higher prices for Bitcoin. Again, I'm still waiting to open a big short position on Bitcoin. I'm waiting for a push potentially above 78 or 80K before I get that better entry point. And again, I did recently open today a short trade on TRX. A very small trade. It's not really too big. And again, I've set my stop loss pretty tight for this. It's simply just TRX has actually been pumping quite a bit right here. And I thought I want to enter a trade because we're near the top right here. I can set my stop loss kind of up in this level right here, just in case it does go, I'll get stopped out. However, in my opinion, the risk reward ratio is worth it simply because the downside is a very large downside compared to the upside. It's a much better risk reward ratio trade to take the short right here than to take the long. And again, I put a tight stop loss there. So if it were to get stopped out, I'm perfectly okay with that. Again, it's around $100,000 trade right there. And again, I'm still in my trade for silver and gold as well. My long position for silver and gold and my short for TRX. Again, if I take a look at gold and silver right there, they are in this range right here, ready potentially to bounce towards the upside. And again, if I take a look at silver as well, it's still in this symmetrical triangle, potentially pushing towards the upside at about 86 US dollars right there for silver. So there are my trades right there over on Ubit, guys. I've been loving trading on Ubit recently. I've deposited a large amount of capital to trade over there over the next coming months. And again, my philosophy and my strategy is if the Bitcoin price or altcoins go up, then I'm winning on my spot positions. If they go down, I've got exposure in the market on short positions, and hopefully a Bitcoin short, a multi-million-dollar Bitcoin short will be coming very soon. If you did want to go ahead and join Ubit, guys, there is a link down below. There is no KYC. You're going to get instant VIP2 level account right there, which gives you a 25% fee discount. And also you're going to deposit $100 and get $100 as well. Also, I have got a chart chasers signal group down below, guys. You can see right here in the chart, we have very successful trades as of recently. Of course, not every trade will win, some will lose, but recently we can see 1,500 just a few weeks ago. And if we scroll down all these trades right here, 30% right there, 18%, 35%, 70% right there, and another 70% on ADA. All the recent trades, the most recent one was hype right there, around 100%. And again, if you click that link down below, it's going to take you to this bot right here. All you have to do is go ahead and follow the actions right there, sign up to Ubit, deposit $100 and then paste your UID right there, and you're going to get immediate access to the group. It's not our $100, it's yours. You can trade with it, you can do what you want with it, but that is a requirement to join the group now, because we want to focus on quality, not quantity. I want to have amazing community of traders and like-minded people, not just people looking to get a couple of free signals and then fuck off for the bear market. I'm looking for quality traders, which hopefully is you guys watching at home. So that is linked down below. And again, I told you guys, we are really waiting for this tick up here. If we take a look at this cup and handle formation right here, and on the, let's take a look on the hourly chart. Why not? It makes it a little bit clearer. We can see that again, this cup and handle formation is most likely forming right here. And what will happen when we do in fact, or if it does in fact play out? Well, we take the bottom right exactly here, we draw it up to the apex right there, and we draw it to the break line, which is approximately there. And we would see a potential target right here of $80,264. Again, let me know down below in the comments if you think this is a likely scenario to happen. Do you think this cup and handle is a little bit stupid? It's not going to play out. I was looking at the charts before the video. I did see this potential cup and handle. Again, it's not the best cup and handle you've ever seen, but I would be interested to see if this will in fact play out right here. I would be more interested if it was to play out on the 4-hourly chart, guys, than the hourly chart. Of course, I would be looking for, if I was going to enter a trade, I would be looking for a 4-hourly close above $78,200 to confirm that this cup and handle will break out and potentially pump up to $80,300. Of course, always do your own research. I'm not a financial advisor. You can make a lot of losses in crypto and taking a trade like this. So just be careful, guys. This is just what I'm seeing on the charts and the analysis which I am making. If we take a look at a chart like this, again, guys, from the other day, CME gap is still looming very much. And again, we have a big psychological level right here at 79,000. Just a little bit below 80K, 84K CME gap. And again, if we take a look here, we have the golden pocket ratio right there, just a little bit below 84K, sorry, a little bit above 84K at 84.7. Again, this rising wedge right here, predominantly a bearish pattern for trading right here, will potentially continue to the downside if this cup and handle does not play out. And again, the next target to the downside, in my opinion, if we do continue, is $74,600. I would love to know in the comments right now, guys. Pause the video. What are you doing? My light has just gone off, so it means it's time to stop filming. The battery probably died. What are you doing? Are you long? Are you short on Bitcoin? What do you think is happening? Are you looking at this liquidation chart right here and seeing there is a massive upside up here at $82,000 to $84,000? Are you thinking that the market is going to move that way and we're going to see our targets up there? Are you going to enter a long position up there? That's most likely what I am waiting for, a potential push to the upside to this 84K range, and I'll be entering a multi-million-dollar short position right there. Of course, I'll set my stop losses in case we turn bullish, but if we do, I get stopped out of my short trade, we turn bullish, that's okay. I've got my spot holdings that will continue to grow and earn me profit, so it's fine. Downside liquidity around 75K. Again, it could wick down there, but I'm leaning a little bit more. It's really difficult because the trend is down. If we look on the daily chart, the trend is up if we look on the daily chart right there, but the short-term trend is down. Again, usually trend is your friend. Has this trend been broken? I don't necessarily think it has yet, to be honest. Unless we break down below this kind of level, the 75K range, I don't think the trend has been broken. So that's pretty much it for today's video, guys. I hope you have enjoyed it. I'll catch you in the next one.